Okay, guys, as you remember, we dropped children, region, and we did the label encoder, and everything but charges is X, and then charges is the target. Train, test train split, and let's see how they did. The AdaBoost regressor, remember that for later because that did the best. And then look at the R2 score. Look at the explained variance score. Yeah, that one is a little more kinder, but still. And then there's your Bayesian Ridge. Look at how these did, 69%. Now, this did not have a linear relationship really, but here's the thing you can do. You can add polynomial features and change the poly degree. And then fit transform, new model fit, ypred equals predict x test, and let's see how it did. 69%. And then there's the Lasso model, 69%. Explain variance score. And then the Twee did terrible. Now I plotted it right here, 82 and 69% accuracy. Okay, and don't forget to install Watson Machine Learning. And I did leave Markdown, like right here. It's funny though, it didn't have a linear relationship, but adding polynomial features made it somewhat almost as good as the AdaBoost regressor. They're also great classifiers as well. Upgrade IBM Platform Services. And you guys remember your API key from earlier, right? Well, Control V, put it in there. There you go. Now let's move on to the next step.